Now, how can you use the workout app on the Apple Watch? Let's explain that. So, in terms of the Apple Watch fitness apps, we have the two main ones. We have the fitness app, which is displaying the rings like the calories, exercise minutes, and the stand goal, the three colored rings. And outside of that, we have the dedicated workouts app. And in there, you can search through the options and specifically select the type of workout which you are about to do. This is great and useful because the watch is then ready to track all of the important metrics regarding to that workout. So if you go for a walk, you might want to track the distance and for example, the other things related to that, like the calories and everything, right? But if you go for a run, for example, then you might be interested in the heart rate zones. And that's why it is important to pick the proper workout. So scroll through the options right here until you find the one you are interested in. If it happens that the specific workout is not part of the list, at the bottom entirely you have a little button to give you access to all other workouts. And there is another list, but that one is much more extensive and it's very likely that you're going to find the workout that you want. And essentially, it's pretty simple to just start a workout. You just tap on it and it just starts. But what's important to mention is that there are different types of goals attached to that workout. So by default, every workout you start has an open goal, right? So it doesn't know what your objective is or anything. You just work out until you stop. But you might choose something else. With the workouts, you might pick a calorie goal, meaning that you will work out until you burn 200 calories. This gets tracked on a circle so you can see it visually as the circle fills up, and it is much easier for you to track. There are also distance-based goals for running and walking exercises, right? So you might choose to run 1 kilometer, right? And that is going to be the goal. And for most other workouts, you also have the time-based goal. So you might want to choose to, skip the jumping rope for 20 minutes. And once the time is up, you get the notification that you have achieved your goal and you may continue or stop it, but you know that you did what you wanted to. So that's how it works. That's how you can change it. Let me know below in the comments if you have some more thoughts or some questions specifically about this app. Let me know about that. And I'll talk to you later in the next videos. But that is only, of course, if you subscribe. So make sure you do that and we can see each other later.